Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution, and this time a new update for Aimogen will bring some love also for the single AI post creator, as the latest update will bring custom fields support for the express mode in the single AI post creator. So if you want to create AI generated content in the custom fields that you add to posts in WordPress, you will be able to do this in the latest update for Aimogen. So to demo this, I will be creating some custom fields for my newly created post. So first of all, let's create the post. Let's add a topic here, WordPress plugins in 2024, and click generate all. This will generate the title, the sections, the content, and also the excerpt of the post. So we can see we have the title already, the two sections from the article. We are working now on the post content, and it is here. It's already finished. The excerpt is available, and we can now create the post. However, if we wish to set custom fields for our created posts, we will be able to do this also now here directly in the single AI post creator, and we will be able to also set AI generated values for these custom fields. So all we have to do is set the name of the custom field. So for example, let's think of a name, numbers, for example, the name of the custom field. And if you click show for the prompts here, you will be able to scroll down and to see a new custom fields prompt. Write the content of a WordPress custom field with title, meta title. This is the shortcode which will be replaced with the numbers, the name of the meta field you enter, in language, style, tone, must be between. So you can fully modify this, or you can leave it as you wish. And to create the field value, simply generate AI content, and this will be able to set the field value to the numbers. To add another field, click add custom field, and we got this field created. So don't forget to click add custom field before you hit create post, because this is needed. Unless you if you don't click this button, the value from this input field will be lost. So be sure to create the custom fields like this. So now let's write something else, letters, and also generate the AI content here. And here it is, the letters, custom field, and so on. So click add custom field, and we have here letters and numbers. Okay, so now we can click create post, and if we edit the created post, we will be able to see the entire content of the post and also the letters and numbers custom fields created. So this is the power of the latest AI content creator in the express mode single AI post creator. Express mode will be able to create also custom fields for posts. This is a suggestion from you guys, so if you have more suggestions like this, let me know in the comments of this video. I am reading all of your suggestions and replying to them, and also considering them for upcoming updates. So like, share, subscribe, it's really appreciated, and thank you for watching until the end. It really helps me go forward. This is all for today. I'm back to work on Aimogen. Have a nice day. Bye bye.